Hello, my friends. Another episode that I have to present again. This is a do-it-yourself how to change the wall receptacle because I cannot connect my computer on the wall because it has 3 prongs. So watch this video how to change it. Before you gonna start working and replacement of the receptacle, make it sure. If you work on the old house, you need to have a flat screw, and this is a combination of flat screw and Phillips screw. It's a reversible, so but mostly on the old houses they're using flat screw. You have a pair of long nose, you have the hammer, because some of the houses they painted the wall plate of the receptacle and the paint is so thick you have to use your pocket knife. So, whatever type you pocket knife you have, as long you can like cut it out the paint, and a drill or an impact drill. That will speed up the process because some of the screws are very long. And for safety purposes, you need to have a good gloves. Rubberized gloves, because you don't know. You cannot see the electricity, so you need to have a pair of glass and also eliminate some cuts if something sharp at the edges, and also 3-prong receptacle. That's all what you need. This is again the way that I had to do the work in replacing the wall outlet with 3 prongs. Okay, so here it is. Very simplified tutorial how to replace the wall outlet receptacle. And summary, here is the tools: the drill, hammer, and most important thing, you have the gloves. Okay, watch this tutorial, short one, but it is very easy to understand. Outlet is okay, the work is done, but you see, I have a guard dog that watch. Oh, what a beautiful day. Work doesn't stop. I have 3 prongs, and what I gonna do again, another work, so I have to do it. I have to remove the cover plate and replace this outlet with 3 prongs so that I can install or I can connect into the power. But enable for me to do the work, I have to hammer this out. Hammer, because all painted, and mostly on the old days they're not using Phillips screw. Only resolution is spend a little bit of time and have a little bit of patience so that I can remove that cover. Mostly the screw that they're using are flathead, so I'm gonna spend a lot of time in replacing this, but simple task, but a little bit of patience. Nowadays, mostly you need 3 prongs on all your appliances or whatever, your computer, any other appliances. You need to have 3 prongs outlet. So nothing I can do, just work in work in work. Okay, one tip that I can tell you: wear the proper gloves. Maybe it's rubberized, because you cannot trust, because this is energized. So wait up to the end. Okay, I will replace it. All right. Oh, 3 prongs ready to mount. Ready to mount. Hmm. Okay, almost done. Almost done. And one more screw in the wall plate. Ooh, tips to replace your old wall outlet. Yep, it's done. But I hate, I have to put back the old one here. Probably the biggest problem I have with the old houses is they're using flat screws. I can barely see. I don't know with you guys, you wanna change the cover plate, but the outlet is done. Okay, let's try it. Check if there's power. And check if there's power. Push this, push this. Maybe we can. How come there's a power here? Okay, so okay, let's see. Check if there's a power. No? Turn it on. Okay, there's power. So outlet is okay. The work is done, but you see, I have a guard dog that watches me. Blue, what are you doing here? Is my work okay, Blue? Yeah? I'm okay? Oh, that's my guard dog. Siberian Husky. Blue, say hi to my blog. I'm done. I have to move to another outlet. I have to replace 7 outlets. Just say yes. Blue. Blue, look at me, Blue. Blue. Say bye-bye, everyone. Watch for my next posting again. God bless us all. Thank you, everyone, for watching. See? Blue, say bye-bye. So it looked like, okay, whatever. So my friends, that's all my tips for today. Replacing the old outlet. As always, goodbye and God bless us all.